Hi there, Ashley from Nomisma here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to enable payment management and use it within the Nomisma platform. Essentially, what payment management is a P32 report, which is updated in real time on screen, and you can add your payments to it and see absolutely everything in one place. So to enable this, you have to go to Edit Company, and then when you're in Edit Company, you can go to Payroll Details and select Yes on Payroll Management. Once you've selected that, you can then select Save. And once it's saved, you will then be able to you will then be able to update various different fields within the tax payment section. And you'll notice that the amount paid will no longer automatically populate. So what I will need to do, because I've already ran all of the previous payrolls, I will need to undo some of these. So let's just go through the process of doing that. So I can undo the last payroll, because I haven't submitted any of these to HMRC yet. If these were submitted to HMRC, you would have to go to a report in order to undo them. So now I've undone them. If I go back to tax payment, you'll notice that I've only got up to September 2020 now. However, if I now run the payroll, and then go back to tax payment, you'll see in October's payroll, the amount is no longer shown as paid. So instead of it just marking it as paid automatically, it now relies on you having to enter the amount that has actually been paid. So you can go to HMRC payments made, and you can enter the actual payment that was made here. So if they actually made a payment of £7,000, you can keep track of the overpayments and how much HMRC owes this company. You can also enter any HMRC adjustments for any, say, late payment interest or any adjustments that they've made, any statutory pay funding that you've received, any tax refunds received, as well as CIS suffered if it was a contractor. So that is how to enable it and how to use it. It's a very simple feature, but it's very useful. In the top right-hand corner, you can also email this. You can export it to a PDF or to a CSV. So if I export it to PDF and then let that load, there you go. So I've got a nice looking PDF, which is a fairly useful report. So I hope you found this useful. If you do have any questions for us, please do get in touch. Our contact details are 020-3021-2326, or you can email us at support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you, and I hope to speak to you soon. Bye.